Sierra Chart and ATAS are leading order flow platforms designed for professional traders. The core difference lies in Sierra Chart's extensive customization and raw data focus, while ATAS prioritizes user-friendly visualization and intuitive interface. Sierra Chart is a comprehensive order flow and charting platform favored by advanced traders. It provides direct market access with detailed order book analysis, footprint charts, and volume profiling. The platform works by connecting to multiple data feeds, offering raw, real-time market data with minimal latency. Its strength lies in deep customization, allowing users to tailor indicators, chart types, and trading strategies extensively. However, this flexibility comes with a steep learning curve and a less polished interface, which may intimidate beginners. Sierra Chart is ideal for traders who want full control over their analytics and are comfortable with technical setups. It supports automated trading and advanced backtesting, making it suitable for algorithmic traders as well. Limitations include a complex setup process and less emphasis on visual appeal, which can slow down workflow for those seeking simplicity. ATAS is an order flow platform designed for clarity and ease of use. It offers advanced volume analysis, footprint charts, and market profile tools with a focus on visual representation. ATAS works by integrating with popular data providers to deliver clean, aggregated order flow data, making it easier to interpret market movements quickly. Its strengths include a modern, intuitive interface and built-in analytics that require minimal configuration. This makes ATAS accessible for traders who want powerful insights without spending hours on customization. The platform supports features like cluster charts, delta analysis, and volume ladders, helping users identify market imbalances efficiently. While ATAS is less customizable than Sierra Chart, it excels in user experience and rapid decision-making. It is ideal for traders who prioritize visual clarity and want to reduce setup time. Limitations include fewer options for deep customization and less support for complex automated strategies. Comparing Sierra Chart and ATAS highlights a trade-off between customization and usability. Sierra Chart suits traders who demand granular control and are comfortable with technical complexity, making it perfect for deep data analysis and algorithmic trading. Conversely, ATAS offers a streamlined experience with clear visual tools ideal for discretionary traders seeking fast, actionable insights. For example, a professional futures trader may prefer Sierra Chart to build custom indicators, while a day trader focusing on volume patterns might find ATAS more efficient. Both platforms provide footprint and volume profile charts, but Sierra Chart's raw data approach offers more precision, whereas ATAS enhances readability. Choosing between them depends on your trading style, technical skill, and need for customization versus simplicity. Sierra Chart is recommended for experienced traders who require extensive customization, advanced data access, and are comfortable navigating complex setups. ATAS is the better choice for traders seeking a visually intuitive, ready-to-use platform that simplifies order flow analysis without sacrificing power. Selecting the right platform depends on your trading priorities, but both deliver robust tools to enhance market understanding and execution.